Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to update Windows 11. Here's a simple and up-to-date guide on how to update Windows 11. First, you have to go to your Start menu, and then here you have to look for Settings or press Windows plus I on your keyboard. What you're going to do next is you have to click Windows Update or Update and Security. You will see your update status at the top of the window. Now click Check for Updates. Windows will start searching for the latest updates like security patches, driver updates, and feature updates. Now, step 4, you can download and install. So if updates are available, click Download and Install. Wait for the process to complete. This might take several minutes depending on your internet speed and update size. Once done, you can restart your PC. Once installation finishes, you may see a Restart Now button. Save your work and click Restart Now to complete the update. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.